In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an inventory item in Xero. We'll walk through adding a tracked item through a supplier bill so your stock levels and costs update automatically, all within a few clear steps. Start by heading to Xero and opening your organization. At the top of the screen, click Purchases, then choose Bills. From here, select New Bill to create a fresh supplier bill. In the bill header, set the From field to the supplier you're purchasing from. This ensures the bill is recorded against the right vendor and uses their usual terms. Next, choose the bill date as it appears on your supplier's document, and set the due date based on your agreed payment terms. Add a short, meaningful reference, like the supplier's bill number, so you can find this record quickly later. Now move down to the first line of the bill. Click into the item field and start typing the inventory item's code or name, then select it from the list. Linking the line to an item is the key step. It tells Xero to track quantity and cost for that specific product. The description will often autofill from the item record, but feel free to refine it to match the supplier's wording for clarity. Enter the QTI received and the unit price exactly as shown on the bill. Xero will calculate the line total for you. Check the account field next. For tracked inventory items, Xero typically fills in the correct inventory or purchases account automatically. Leave it as is unless you've been advised to use a different account. Set the appropriate tax rate to match the supplier's charge and your local tax rules. On the right, review the amount field. In this example, it's shown in PHP, but you'll see your organization's base currency. Confirm the subtotal, tax, and total match the supplier bill. When everything looks accurate, choose Save to keep it as a draft if you want to review it later, or click Approve to post it to accounts payable. Approving a bill for a tracked item will increase your on-hand quantity and record the cost into inventory, keeping your stock and financials in sync. A few quick tips to avoid rework. Double-check the supplier name and the dates against the bill, keep your reference clear and consistent, and if you don't see the item you expect in the item field, make sure it exists in your product list and is set to be tracked. That's all there is to it. You've added an inventory item via a bill in Xero and your stock is now up to date.